Hi everyone. I'm making a turnip soup. So I found this huge turnip which I showed you on my previous video. This huge turnip. It's the size of my head. And I had a couple of other turnips, so I roasted some turnips, and this one, after I made my chicken, I went ahead and made a stock. And if you look at my videos, just Google the stock, Fun Cooking with Mary, how to make stock. I should have a couple videos there. And let me lower this so you can see what I'm doing here. And basically, what you do, and then I have a kohlrabi, I think that I'm pronouncing that right. It's another type of root. And it's like a, it's really delicious. It tastes like a broccoli, the stem of the broccoli. And it's green. And it has these little leaves coming out on the side. But when they're sold, they remove those leaves. And you can see the root on that. And then, you know, I peeled it. So there's the peeling from the kohlrabi or something. And basically, after I made the stock, I didn't want to get rid of, I made the first batch of stock, and then I added some more water to it, because I hate throwing away all these beautiful vegetables in here. And so I'm kind of taking out, not the bones, I'm taking out the vegetables and what I did, I made 2 batches of stocks, 2. So the first time I went ahead and I put it aside, and then I said, well, the vegetables still look good, so I'm going to make another stock. And so I decided, with all the stock that I had left, on the second batch, I'm going to make a turnip soup. So, and a kohlrabi soup. So I have the kohlrabi in there, and it's all getting stewed right now with the vegetables. And then I'm going to cream it. I added some salt, some pepper, some thyme, and then what I'm going to do is cream it after it's done. Let it boil. And just cream it, and then I'll have like a creamy, if you want to add a little bit of cream to it to make it delicious, yes, that'll be good. Okay, I thought I'd show you that real quick. Okay,